the Renaissance. Okay, it's a good, cool name there for a knife. It is going to be over 3 inches. Caleb Waldman design. It is N690 steel with the black PVD coating and micarta handle and a button liner lock. Now that's more the sus. That's what I'm talking about. Love me a good old button operated liner lock any day of the week. And I want to say I haven't necessarily checked out Caleb Waldman designs in the past, not that I can remember. But we'll check this one out here, of course. We got the usuals here, sticker, additional hardware, wiping cloth, and some paperwork. All right, let's see what this one's all about. Bada bing, bada boom. Hello, gonna have my knife, thank you. I want to say it definitely gives me that burlap micarta sort of vibes here. We can see the threading here, pattern and whatnot. This might be an Amazon exclusive here. There are gonna be other variants available we're gonna talk about in a second. We got a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible for lefties. I love that Kizer is doing that on a lot of their new designs. That's just the way to go. We got the black and purple going on here, which is a very Kizer thing to do. Last month, we checked out the Kaiser Zero, and the variant I got a chance to check out was this one here with the black aluminum handle and the purple accented thumb studs and button. So this one's kind of following along those same design color theme or whatnot. Let's go ahead and just get it deployed here. If you're ready, I'm ready. Well, bam. All right, there it is. Check it out. Beautiful sort of warny sheep's foot blend. That's just what the doctor ordered right there. Sign me up. Got a little bit of belly here. It's not necessarily a full-on straight edge or anything, but we do have a flat grind. We have a fuller going on pretty much the extent of the blade there. Very utilitarian blade for utility cuts and draw cuts. Really amazing for everyday use, as you can imagine. And then let's just go ahead and check out the action here. Oh yeah, ball bearings all day. Come on, man. Like, must have fidget with the Kizer Draw Bear Zero here a lot over the last month or so. And the action's still as pristine as day one. That's just what's amazing about Kizer knives. Really good action, of course, on ball bearings. Very smooth. It's going to break in nicely. As far as the ergos go, I'm able to get a full purchase, full 4-finger grip with my average size hands. Feels nice and comfortable. All the edges are nice and contour, which feels good. We do have recessed liners, and there is a little bit of milling on the non-liner lock side. So on this side, we have milling. On the opposite side, not so much. But it is a sandwich construction with 2 standoffs back here, and I do not see a lanyard hole. So maybe you can tie up a lanyard to this back standoff or something, maybe the pocket clip. That's always an option. But yeah, here's the button lock at play here, right? It is a stronger mechanism compared to a traditional plunge lock button lock. We've talked about it here many times in the channel, right? Similar to like a Spyderco compression lock, but with the ease of a button. Very nice and easy to actuate. You can deploy using the button itself. Thumb stud deployment feels good. Spidey flick. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Oh, oof. Actually, rockets out of there. Can we use the fuller? $1 million question. Come on now. There we go. Of course, you know, it is a custom in this channel that I always have to fill it the first time and the 4th time. That's just mandatory, but yeah, I want to say the fuller is a little bit more of an acquired taste just because it's a little bit rounded off on the edges of the fuller, so it doesn't give you the most amount of grip possible. But if you wanted to practice, you could pull it off. Yeah, so that's another deployment method right there, but I would just stick to the thumb studs, if anything. Weight on this bad boy is going to be around 2.7 ounces or so. 2.76, 2.73 on different models. They're all going to have N690 steel, and we're looking at these different variants here. Black micarta with the blacked out blade. We have a Norplex Ultrex micarta with a satin finish blade, and then we have a blue here, rich light handle with the satin finish blade. So looking pretty good as far as a good selection of different models to choose from.